Ever wondered how many ways you can cook spinach? This nutrient-rich green is indeed a versatile ingredient. Its true strength lies in its flexibility. It can be sautéed, blended into smoothies, tossed in salads, or cooked in soups. Each method offers a distinct flavor, making spinach a culinary delight. Ready to explore the world of spinach? Stay tuned as we unravel the various ways to cook this nutritious leafy green. Let's take another look at that, shall we? The classic sauté method of cooking spinach is our first point of interest. Begin by giving your spinach leaves a thorough rinse to ensure any dirt or grit is completely removed. After that, it's crucial to pat them dry using a fresh kitchen towel, as damp leaves can result in unnecessary splattering. Following this, bring oil to a heat in a pan. Olive oil is a fantastic choice for this step due to its rich, savory flavor. Once the oil the right temperature, it's time to add some finely chopped garlic, letting it sizzle until it changes into a golden hue and releases a mouth-watering scent. Then comes the moment to add the spinach. You might be surprised by the quantity initially, but remember, it wilts down significantly. Keep stirring until the leaves wilt, but retain their vibrant green color. This method is particularly popular, not only for its quickness, but also because it preserves a large portion of the spinach's nutritional value. And that's it, folks, a straightforward and tasty method to prepare spinach, revisited for your convenience. Next, we venture into the decadent world of creamed spinach. This delightful dish is a love letter to spinach, enveloping it in a creamy, dreamy sauce that's as comforting as it is delicious. Let's start by sautéing some spinach and onions together. The onions bring a subtle sweetness that complements the earthy spinach perfectly. Once our greens are wilted and onions are translucent, we introduce a sprinkling of flour to the mix. This will act as a thickening agent, preparing the stage for our star performer, the milk. As we pour in the milk, it combines with the flour to create a creamy sauce that lovingly coats each leaf of spinach. Finally, we season to taste. A dash of salt, a hint of pepper, and perhaps a grating of nutmeg for that extra oomph. The result is a dish that is as rich in flavor as it is in nutrients. Creamed spinach, a dish that turns this humble green into a luxurious treat. Now, let's take a turn towards the healthy side with a spinach smoothie. A spinach smoothie is not just a delightful blend of flavors, but a powerhouse of nutrients too. It's simple to make and a quick fix for your health goals. You start by tossing in a handful of fresh spinach into your blender. Now, don't let the green intimidate you. The taste of spinach is mild and it blends beautifully with fruits. Speaking of which, add in a ripe banana and a sweet apple to the mix. These fruits not only add a natural sweetness but also a smooth texture to your drink. To get the blender going, pour in your choice of liquid. Almond milk or yogurt work fantastically well. They not only make the smoothie creamy but also add an extra layer of nutrition. The best part about this smoothie, it's a sneaky way to incorporate spinach into your diet. It's so tasty, you won't even realize you're consuming this leafy green. A spinach smoothie, a refreshing and healthy way to start your day. As we've seen, spinach is a versatile ingredient that can be cooked in a variety of ways. From a classic sauté that highlights its earthy flavor, to a creamy delight that brings out a comforting richness, and even as a health-boosting smoothie where its freshness shines through. Each method offers a different taste experience, a new texture, and a unique way to enjoy this nutritional powerhouse. So next time you're in the kitchen, give these spinach recipes a try. You might just discover a new favorite way to enjoy this nutritious green.